Good morning. Someone doesn't want to get up. Good morning, Armani. Good morning. Okay. You don't want to get up? Why? You don't want to get up? I'm just a sleepy boy. Him is a sleepy boy. I don't deserve you. Anyways, what's on y'all's agenda today? Oh, Armani's all right. I had to wake him up. He was sleepy. He had a hard night playing with his toys. I'm having the zoomies. So I still want to know, Alani or Bloom? Bloom is the right answer. My husband says Alani is, but he lies. He doesn't know what he's talking about, okay? So, let's get the day started. Yay! Bye.